Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to apologize for it being like 2 or 3 months since I've made my last video. Life has had a funny way of sneaking up on me and kind of having time get away from me as well. But I am back, and not only am I back with my Christmas apartment tour. Y'all, I am one of those people who cannot wait until Thanksgiving. I cannot wait until the first official snowfall. I am a Christmas lover, so all of my decorations, including my tree, which I'm sure you see right here, are up, and Thanksgiving is still a little ways away. I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I decorated my apartment this year for Christmas. I think it is absolutely beautiful, and I hope you all do too. So grab something to drink, grab a quick snack, kick up your feet and relax while I show you how I decorated my apartment for Christmas 2019. Also, if you have any questions about where I got my decor or my decorations, please feel free to leave a comment. I will let you know where I got everything. Y'all, the majority of the things that I accumulated, I got after Christmas last year for a crazy reduced price. Y'all know your girl likes a bargain, she likes a deal, and she likes to shop. So nothing in my apartment was expensive, and hopefully, I think the majority of the things that you may see in here are probably available at stores now. If not, then you can probably find something similar. But like I said, if you have any questions about where anything is or where I got something from, then please leave a comment and I will let you know. I will not be stingy with my information. So like I said, y'all, this is my apartment 2019. I hope you all enjoy my Christmas tour.